Hi guys, my name is Johnston. So for today I'm gonna do a special makeup look and it's from BlackPink and it's Jennie from How Do You Like That. So this was actually suggested from one of my followers on TikTok and so I would like to present that and of course do it in a different way. So I'm gonna do like Jennie, maybe as a guy. So Jennie's hair in this music video is very special. So she has like platinum blonde streaks and black hair, so that's kind of striking and I will definitely embody that. This is what went through my mind and I'm just gonna try to recreate this look. In order to have that kind of look, I've just bleached my hair. Am I gonna go do my hair again? No. So I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna cut out an old wig because this is slightly similar to the color that she has. It's really close to white, kind of platinum blonde, and then I don't think I want to bleach my hair and my hair isn't long enough, so I need a wig. And this is what I'll be doing. So I'll be cutting like a weft and then I will be trying to attach this to a black short wig and try to make it work. So I have no idea how this will turn out, but let's just try. I'm just gonna cut like some parts of it from the bottom. I've cut them and then this is how it looks like. I know it looks really ugly and I haven't trimmed it to how it should look like. Yeah, so these are the weft that I've cut and this is roughly how it looks like. This is not the right this is not the final product yet, so I know I look very ridiculous, but this is the rough gist of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with makeup first. I might cut this a little bit shorter because this is like way too long for a guy with short hair. Can you imagine how it looks like? Okay, so let's start with the makeup. I'm gonna start with wearing my contact lens first. So I'll be just wearing brown lens because just to enhance my eye size and so that I can see so that I'm not blind. Okay, next I'm gonna use my foundation, double lasting foundation from Etude house. Not put too much. So next I'll be using an Airmatte foundation. Next I'll be drawing my eyebrows, and for Jennie, right, her photo, it shows that her eyebrows are kind of dark, so I'm just gonna follow that and do like dark eyebrows. Now I'm done drawing the eyebrows, I'm gonna move on to the eyeshadow. So for the eyeshadow, right, she has more of a brownish tint on top and then like a more reddish tint below, and that's like kind of smeared. So I'm gonna go for the brown tint first. So using this color, I'm gonna put it on my eye. I think that's about it. That's not very difficult actually. So using this red from the Morphe palette, I'm going to use the same direction and same spreading technique that Jennie has to create the look. So I guess I'll mix it with a little bit of pink because it's not like really robust red, it's just like pink and red together. So okay, I'm gonna try doing that first. I'll be spreading it like left to right so that it has this nice gradient. This is the lightest at the bottom, so this is like, see how it looks like. Yeah, I think something like that. I'm gonna do the other side right now. Same thing, same motion, spreading, and then yeah. I feel like I'm kaonashi or something. I have no idea what the makeup artist thinking when she did this. Okay, I think my color is a bit too intense, so I'll put a bit more powder later so it looks more coherent. I'm gonna put some bling around the eagle's eye area because I think that's what she had. Okay, I think that's what she looks like. So for the eyeliner, she just has a very simple wing, and I'm not gonna do too much. Okay, I'm just gonna go as close as possible to what she has done. I'm just gonna emulate that same process, okay? So I need to connect this. This is roughly how much she does for her eyeliner. Then I'm just gonna follow for the other side of my eyes. Just gonna do some contouring, okay, like my nose, residual powder from the eyebrows. Just gonna puff a little bit. And use some of the highlighter on my nose. So for her lips, it's kind of glossy, so I'm gonna use some lip balm first, then after that I'll use a reddish lipstick. I think I'm more or less done with the makeup, and then now I'm gonna move on to hair, which is the most difficult part. So I'm gonna put on the wig first. So this is like the final product, and honestly I don't think this is a very good job because I wanted to go for like a manly look. I give like how Jennie would like if she's in a boy band, but then I just turned out to replicate exactly the same because I don't have the right, you know, like wig and the right length of the wig. So I think that this would be the best kind of representation that I can give, and I'm still a man, and I've just made this out of like white shirt and trying to like emulate the clothing that she has. So yeah, so this is my Jennie look, and I know that this is not the best because I know there are a lot of flaws. More importantly, I'm just trying to recreate the makeup. So the makeup is fairly simple. It's just like brown tinge and red smears and a decent red lip kind of look, and I think that's all about it for Jennie's makeup. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like what I'm doing right now, or if you like what you just watched just now, do give me a like and also comment down below what kind of like characters, K-pop idols I should try, and then I might be trying it like this. Though it's really ridiculous because like I don't know, do I even like pass off as a Jennie? Maybe I'm more like a Jennie-ter. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!